Hi guys, my name is Vandita and this is a tutorial video for the song Let Me Down Slowly. This video is divided into two parts and it is a mirrored video, so this is my right hand and this is my left hand. Also, before starting, I would like to tell you that while you're performing a tutting, your hands should be straight and not curved until asked. So let's start with the choreography. First thing, we'll take our right hand up, out, inside again. So it goes like one, two, and three. Over here, I'm aligning it with my face. Okay, I'm aligning the fingers with my face. So they go like one, two, and three. Same goes for the left, right staying there. One, two, and three. Okay, so we do it like one, two, three, one, two, three. Now from here, we'll take our right hand in front of our eyes towards the left. Okay, we go like one, open your fingers, roll, and close. So you go like, this night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. You rub your palm and shift towards the right, come back. Okay? So this goes like one, two, three, one, two, three, one, open, roll, close, rub, and back. Now from here, you'll take your left hand, roll down, right hand, roll down. So it goes like one, two, three, and four. Again, we're not folding it like this. We're taking it straight. Okay, so both the hands go straight. One, two, three, and four. Now from here, we'll take a right hand, curve it under the chin, and left hand goes in the walking position. So we go like one, two, three, four, and one. Walk and down. Okay. So you go like one, two, three, four, one, one, two, three, four, and down. Then you wake yourself up. From your shoulders, your shoulder go like up and down. So it goes like one and two. It's not going back and front, it's going up and down. So you go like one and two. Okay, now from here you go out, in, up. So one, now this is like out, in, and up. Left hand goes the same way it went earlier, one. So it goes like one, two, three, and four. Now your right hand on your left hand. Take your right hand on your left hand, bring it together in front of the face. So it goes like one, two, three, and four. One, two. Okay, now from here, you'll open your hand while moving the fingers. Okay, so now from here, we go like one. Now this one is like your fingers, they make a L. Okay, one and two. So it's this way, like you can see if you can form it. Okay, so your fingers go like one, two. Now from here, you go one, left hand goes down, right hand comes above it, right hand goes straight and joins. Okay, so we go like one and two, one, one, two, three, and four. Okay, so this part is like waist. Now I once was a man, so I once was a man. Now straight your hands, bring it back. Now it goes like you show your face in the box. Okay, so now from here we go like close your hands again. So you went like dignity and grace now, and slipping. So your right hand slips in two breaks. So one and two. Okay, so you go like one, two. Left hand goes again out, in, and up. So you go like one, two, and three. So I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So you'll just take a wave. Okay, So the wave goes 1. Now the wave goes behind your head and then again. Okay, so it goes like slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please. Okay, this was the first part of the video. We'll move on to the second one. Before that, we'll do it on music once. This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please. The second part goes like your hands were this way. Your right hand goes 1. Same goes the left hand. Okay, so you like 1 and 2, like you're holding something. So you like 1 2 cross. You can cross it either ways, whichever is comfortable. So 1 2 3. Now you'll open them again. So you go like 1 2 3 and 4. Now from here you take your right hand in, like you go like up and you fold it, make a fist. So you make a fist, 1 2, face towards each other, bring together and open and open. Okay, so it basically goes like, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. Okay, so now from here, if you wanna go again, it's like out, in and up. So if you wanna, it's not actually up, but it's like 1 2, and you take your right hand around your head, bring it under your chin, and you go like lonely. Okay, so this part goes like, if you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. Now from here, if you're leaving, again out, in and roll. Now this roll isn't Kathak one, this one is the sharp one. Okay, so your hands are again straight. So you go like, leave me, let me down slowly. Okay, so lonely, if you're leaving baby, let me down slowly. Okay, so again, 1 2 3 go. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can just show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving baby, let me down slowly. Now this lonely can be like, you can keep your hand under your chin or over here, like wherever you want. So now from here, you went, let me down slowly. Now you can do it in two ways. Either you can do it in the fast version or in the slow version. I would prefer that the beginners, you can do it in the slow version, and for the rest, if you're already familiar with the tutting choreographies, you can do it in the fast version. So I'll be teaching the slow version, and you can practice and shoot it and perform it in the fast version. Okay, so let's start. You go like right hand up, right hand down, left hand out, left hand up, left hand down, right hand down, left hand down. Okay, so this is basically a 8 step. So it goes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so it's like 1 right left 2, mm, sorry, once again, right 1, right 2, left 3, left 4, left 5, right 6, left 7, and both of them 8. So this one is like a small finger wave. Okay, so you go like 1 and 2. So once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so we'll do this much part now on music, and then again the entire choreography on music. Okay.
Please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking, your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down.
Okay, so this was it for the tutorial, and to keep on practicing for this video, and soon you will be comfortable with any kind of tutting video, any kind of tutting choreography. Also, when you post, don't forget to tag me at the rate let's nacho underscore underscore on Instagram, or use hashtag dance with VB to let me reach to your post. And hoping to see many covers. Till then, bye, take care, stay safe.